Welcome to the Cameron Highlands. In this episode, we'll explore the beautiful scenery of the Highlands, visit one of the region's famous tea factories, and later make a stop at the Lata Iskandar Waterfall on the drive back to Kuala Lumpur. But first, we're starting the evening with one of the most popular meals in the Highlands, Steamboat. Steamboat is basically the Malaysian version of hot pot. A pot of simmering broth is placed in the middle of the table, and diners cook the ingredients themselves. Typical ingredients include thin slices of meat, seafood, fish balls, tofu, noodles, and a variety of leafy vegetables. Everything cooks quickly in the broth, and everyone shares the pot while eating together. It's a very social and relaxed style of dining, more of an experience than just a meal. You'll notice steamboat restaurants all over the Cameron Highlands, and there's a good reason for that. The Highlands sit at about 1,500 meters above sea level, so the temperatures here are much cooler than cities like Kuala Lumpur. Evenings can drop to around 15 to 20 degrees Celsius, which feels quite cool compared to the tropical lowlands. That cooler climate is exactly why Steamboat became such a tradition here. The hot broth warms you up, the vegetables are grown locally in the Highlands, and it's the perfect meal for a cool, misty mountain evening. This morning we've been blessed. If you can't tell behind me, the weather is beautiful today. And Sham has brought me to a tea plantation. What's the name of this? Do you know?
Bo.
Bo?
Sungai Palas.
Ah, you heard it here first, folks. I will say, Sham, I noticed on the drive up here, just absolutely beautiful. And we've been blessed with great weather this morning.
Oh yeah.
I do think this would be an area that, even if it's touristy, I could stay in a little bit longer just because of the climate. I'm a fan. Cooler temperatures and elevation.
That's the brand of the tea, Bo.
He's the brand ambassador. See?
How do you like the smell of tea leaves?
No, it smells wonderful up here.
Yeah.
Very relaxing environment here. Which is good because Shum's about to make me do 4 billion stairs.
Nah, just 3. Don't exaggerate. There's 3 billion stairs.
Oh,
See that?
I see there's a nice observation deck that's going to make it worth all these stairs, right? I will say that while there's a high number of them here, compared to most of the stairs we do, these are very well maintained, right? I won't. I know. I was just getting a little room.
You attack me later.
Yeah, good.
Alright, cool kids. Alright.
International Tea Day.
Yeah.
We'll have to come back next year. We missed it this year, Sham. This is the viewing deck here at the Tea Center. Beautiful view, as you can see, out into the hills. Tea all up and down these hillsides. Good job. All right, let's go look at the factory and maybe we'll come back and get a cup of tea. Lots of good stuff to eat. None of it's good for you. And Shum's been making me eat too much already as it is. Got a gift shop up here. Looks like all kinds of good varieties of tea, obviously. "95 years, that's a long time." And they have a catchy slogan, "Keep brewing for a better tomorrow." Marketing people, what can you say, right? Marketing people, they know what they're doing.
Rainfall and hours of sunshine is the ideal location for a
You can go in here and watch a presentation. That's the kind of thing Shum would do if I wasn't around. We'll just keep walking. They have tea tasting every couple of hours. I don't know if we timed it out or if you would want to do that, Shum. Here's ice cream. They're trying to kill me, as obvious. Yeah. Pretty interesting equipment. Not too different than the weed eater you'd use back home. Weigh out your harvest here. I guess this breaks down the leaves. Ah, it's like hand rolling. It does hand rolling, but obviously with a machine. Here's some gunny sacks for carrying the leaves.
Everyone, the tea factory tour is starting now.
Okay, here's what you need to know. The factory tour is free and only takes a few minutes. Unfortunately, no cameras are allowed. Oh, and our guide said something about liking and subscribing to Crash Course Travel makes you a better person. Who am I to disagree? Let's hit the road and explore the Highlands. Alright, we're just checking out this little market. We'll check out a waterfall here in a second. Convenient, about halfway down, would you say? Yeah, it makes it. Yeah, about halfway down. So if you need to take a break on the way down from the Highlands, good, nice little area to take a picture and grab a snack. Let's walk down here real quick. Cool little area here. Not a bad area to stop. If you want to go up all those stairs, we probably won't do that today, but got your fresh fruit, some roasted corn. Oh, they got a little shop in here. Thanks for watching. Make sure to click like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell. Until next time, farewell.